Hi all of you awesome scuba divers out there, welcome to the Scuba Diver Magazine channel, your favourite place for the latest scuba diving news and gear reviews. Today I have the SEAC Equipage 250, which is a scuba diving duffel bag with a decent amount of storage space, as you can tell. It's got some clever little sort of compartments inside of it, specifically for scuba diving. Let's take a closer look. So the first thing about the bag is that, it's got grab handles on the top, so quite easy to lug around. You also have a removable shoulder strap if you so wish, for like longer carrying. It just makes it a little bit easier. Main compartment on the inside, so that's 110 litres, plenty of space inside of this. At the moment I've got a BCD and a wetsuit inside of it, and there's still plenty of space for the rest of your gear. So yeah, nice decent sized bag that you can fit all of your kit inside of. On one side it has a separate section with a dry lining so that you can start to separate your gear to either keep stuff in that portion, because you've got this whole lining that comes out that can fill up most of the bag inside of it. So you can store your wet gear inside of it. There's a small drainage section down at the bottom, this mesh, so that any water that isn't going to collect inside of the bag, it's going to flow out, or like vice versa, you can keep your dry stuff in there and your wet stuff in the main compartment. And it just helps to kind of separate things. Zippered closure on most things, and one of its party tricks on this side is that you have a whole fin pouch. I've only got one fin at the moment, just to give it a bit of shape, but as you can see, we've got this pinch clip adjustment and plenty of storage space. So if you've got a pair of fins, you slide them in the side and they are exactly where you need them to be. On the underside, flipping it over, you can see we've got a little bit of sort of grip just to protect the bottom of the bag a bit and help it from sliding around on the deck of the boat. We've also got some metal drainage grommets, so if you do have wet gear inside, it can help to drain out of that, and again, the water's not pooling inside of the bag. But as far as like the finish, the material is really good and tough, so that will last a long time. The overall finish is very nice. Styling is nice. It's not too, it doesn't scream that it contains scuba diving equipment in it, but decent size. So even if I had like my dry suit, you could probably just about fit your dry suit in there with a BCD and regulators and hoods and gloves and stuff. Wetsuit certainly. There's plenty of storage inside of this. It's a good decent sized bag. For more information, you can head over to one of our affiliate dive centers. The links will be down in the description underneath this video, or you can click this link up here in the corner. Otherwise, remember to like, share, subscribe, do all that good social media stuff. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.